Hey guys, today we'll be unboxing the F200DG. Unlock the full potential of the F200 with the F200DG bundle. The F200DG is a bundle that includes the rear camera and external GPS in the box. This bundle will be exclusively available at Best Buy Canada. Let's get to the unboxing. In the box includes the F200 main unit, micro SD card with the SD card reader, F200 rear camera cable, external GPS, cigarette lighter power cable, cable clips, black 3M adhesive mount, and the quick start guide and warranty information. Thanks for watching our video. For more unboxings, tutorials, and information, please subscribe below.